Hey guys, so today I'm very happy to present you the WhatsApp inbox. I think WhatsApp, when we started out breakcold, we just thought that it was just heavily used in Latin America. But along the way, we realized that WhatsApp is more and more used for B2B. And so, as a CRM that bridge like traditional sales prospecting with email and calling, but also social selling with LinkedIn for B2B, we added Telegram, now WhatsApp. And so essentially, now you're going to be able right now on the left to get access to the WhatsApp inbox. So what's going to happen is that it works the exact same as the LinkedIn inbox, as the Telegram inbox. But essentially, we also added a new couple of modifications. So obviously, like as usual, it syncs all your different messages. So as you can see here, it's syncing all the WhatsApp messages with Alex right there. The cool thing, as usual, is like when you click on the lead, like all the activities will be synced in the CRM. So whether you do the conversations from WhatsApp or from Breakcold or from your mobile, it will be synced. And so in just one click, you will be taken back to the conversation. So if I click here, I'm taken back to the convo. But the good thing about this actually is you see here, I just have WhatsApp. I don't have LinkedIn. I don't have Telegram. So we know, guys, like most of you, you mainly use LinkedIn or email. Some of you, you just use WhatsApp or Telegram. You all have different use cases, right? So we realized that we were just going to show you what you guys are interested into. So if you have convos with a specific person, like essentially we're just gonna show you what matters. So if you're into WhatsApp and email, will just have email and WhatsApp. If you're like into email and LinkedIn, you're just gonna have this. So yeah, going back to the inbox a little bit. So as usual, like the cool thing about this, if we talk about workflows, is that in just one click, you can create like quick follow-ups. And the cool thing about this is when you go to your task, you see here, this task is linked to a message. So in just one click, you will be taken back to the conversation. And so from there, once the task is done, you can just mark it as done. And boom, you can create a new task if needed. So yeah, you can be like very productive about this. The cool thing with WhatsApp too is that we get all the images that people are sharing with you. We don't get like voice messages. It's the first version, so maybe we'll add the voice notes, the voice messages along the way, but it's not out yet. Also, another quick thing that, as you can see on the top, we've improved the inbox. So it's going to also be rolled out on the LinkedIn and Telegram inbox. You also get like now, like you can create your important section. You can also click with the people who didn't reply to your convos. So pretty useful. And as usual, you can also like get access to all your different group chats. So it was the same for Telegram, it was the same for LinkedIn, but as you can imagine, in WhatsApp, some of you guys, you have like group convos with like a couple of clients, or maybe in private groups. And so from there, what you can do is that in just one click, you can get access to all these people. And here you see like we still have a little problem with the profile pictures on some leads, but essentially from there, in just one click, you can add these people to the CRM. And so you see here, there's 73 people in the conversation. Everything has been synced. So pretty useful. Um, and so yeah, once we've said that, really we've said it all. I mean, like it's the same features as usual. Like I said, like whether you do the convos in Brackle or not, everything will be synced. If you work as a team, right now I just have like one account. But as you can see, if you have multiple WhatsApp connected, you can just focus on one account specifically. You can also manage the WhatsApp DMs of your clients if you are an agency, of your team members, if they give you access. So yeah, it's pretty unlimited in terms of use cases. And so yeah, as a CRM, like as usual, the goal is to for you to save time on syncing everything that's happening with a lead. And so yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing here. So yeah, frankly, nothing more to say about this. Except that for the release of the feature, we're doing like a special offer. So make sure to get this by Monday, so that you can, yeah, maximize this as a very affordable, cool price. Because yeah, probably at some point the max plan or the pro plans, the max plan, sorry, when we will release the biggest feature of the year, price will go up. So yeah, make sure to take advantage of that. But otherwise, yeah, nothing more to say. If it's the first version, guys, so I mean it works. So you should not have bugs, but sometimes like there's a couple of leads right there where you can see here with my mom. Like I don't have the profile picture right now. So except maybe the profile pictures, like you might encounter one or two things, but it's very minor. I think it's going to be fixed within a day or two max of this release. So yeah, otherwise everything's working pretty cool. So yeah, feel free to use it and yeah, let us know your feedback. Cheers. Bye. Yeah, and I just forgot to tell you that when it comes to leads where you don't have the phone number, so essentially, the moment you will add a phone number to an existing lead, it will sync the messages. Essentially, so either you add manually the phone number to the lead to sync all the activities with that lead inside the LinkedIn, inside the WhatsApp inbox, but you can also like obviously add the person from WhatsApp, which I think is probably one of the easiest way. And final point, because I think I was forgetting a couple of things actually in this video, is yeah, as usual, when you click here, you will only see your conversation with your leads, so you will not have your conversations with your dad, etc.